Hello. Hi, you live on the third floor, right? Yeah, room TO 4 and you. I am room TO 7. How is your room? Is it big? It's not very big, but there and a small closet. Do you like living in the dark? Yes, I like it. It's close to classic. Do you have roommate? No, I have a single room this year. It's nice and cold.